Okay, today I'm going to read the Model Rules of Professional Conduct, just the client-lawyer relationship, which is below the preamble and scope. In fact, let's see how long the preamble and scope is. Working on getting that open. Preamble, a lawyer's responsibilities. 1, a lawyer as a member of the legal profession is a representative of clients, an officer of the legal system, and a public citizen having special responsibility for the quality of justice. 2, as a representative of clients, a lawyer performs various functions. As advisor, a lawyer provides a client with an informed understanding of the client's legal rights and obligations and explains their practical implications. As an advocate, a lawyer zealously asserts the client's position under the rules of the adversary system. As negotiator, a lawyer seeks a result advantageous to the client but consistent with requirements of honest dealings with others. As an evaluator, the lawyer acts by examining a client's legal affairs and reporting about them to the client or to others. In addition to his representational functions, a lawyer may aid the parties to resolve a dispute or other matter. Some of these rules apply directly to lawyers who are or have served as third-party neutrals. See example Rules 1.12 and 2.4. In addition, there are rules that apply to lawyers who are not active in the practice of law or practicing lawyers, even when they are acting in a non-professional capacity. For example, a lawyer who commits fraud in the conduct of a business is subject to discipline for engaging in conduct involving dishonesty, fraud, deceit, or misrepresentation. See Rule 8.1. A lawyer should keep in confidence information relating to representation of a client, except so far as disclosure is required or permitted by the rules of professional conduct or other law. 5, a lawyer's conduct should conform to the requirements of the law, both in professional service to clients and the lawyer's business and professional affairs. A lawyer should use the law's procedures only for legitimate purposes and not to harass or intimidate others. A lawyer should demonstrate respect for the legal system and for those who serve it, including judges, other lawyers, public officials. While it is a lawyer's duty when necessary to challenge the rectitude of an official action, it is also the lawyer's duty to uphold legal process. 6, as a public citizen, a lawyer should seek improvement of the law, access to the legal system, the administration of justice, and the quality of service rendered by the legal profession. As a member of a learned profession, a lawyer should cultivate knowledge of the law beyond its use for clients, employ that knowledge in reform of the law, and work to strengthen legal education. In addition, a lawyer should further the public's understanding of and confidence in the rule of law and the justice system, because legal institutions in a constitutional democracy depend on popular participation and support to maintain their authority. A lawyer should be mindful of deficiencies in the administration of justice, of the fact that the poor, and sometimes persons who are not poor, cannot afford adequate legal assistance. Therefore, all lawyers should devote professional time and resources to the civic influence to ensure equal access to our system of justice for all those who, because of economic or social barriers, cannot afford or secure adequate legal counsel. A lawyer should aid the legal profession in pursuing these objectives, should help the bar regulate itself in the public interest. Objectives. Yeah. In pursuing these objectives. 7, many of a lawyer's professional responsibilities are prescribed in the rules of professional conduct as well as substantive and procedural law. However, a lawyer is also guided by personal conscience and the approbation of professional peers. A lawyer should strive to attain the highest level of skill, to improve the law and the legal profession, and to exemplify the eyes hurt legal profession ideals of public service. A lawyer's responsibilities. This is line 8. As a representative of clients, an officer of the legal system, and a public citizen are usually harmonious. Thus, when an opposing party is well represented, a lawyer can be a zealous advocate on behalf of a client, and at the same time assume that justice is being done. So also, a lawyer can be sure that preserving client confidences ordinarily serves the public interest, because people who are more likely to seek legal advice and thereby heed their legal obligations